So hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are very fine. So today we will be discussing a brand new chapter, that is transport of substances across cell membrane. Okay? Transport of substances across cell membrane. So how substances gets transport from the extracellular compartment to the intracellular compartment. Okay? So in this lecture today we will be learning about this. Okay, fine. Now see here, this is a cell membrane. Okay, and this is extracellular fluid and this is intracellular fluid. That means this is the outside compartment of the cell and this is the inside compartment of the cell. Extracellular, that means outside, intracellular means inside, and the middle barrier is the plasma membrane. Okay. Now in outside compartment we all know there are some molecules, as for example like sodium, calcium. Okay, now how these substances will enter into the intracellular compartment. Now there are two criteria. Okay, one is the water soluble and the another one is the lipid soluble. Okay, and we all know the cell membrane is of lipid bilayer. Okay, that means if the substances which is in the extracellular compartment is lipid soluble, that substances can pass easily through the lipid bilayer into the intracellular compartment. Okay, suppose this is a substance which is lipid soluble, it can easily pass through the lipid bilayer into the intracellular compartment. Okay, fine. Now what if the substance that is present in the extracellular compartment is water soluble? Now the substance is water soluble but the lipid bilayer is lipid soluble. So the substance cannot pass the lipid bilayer to enter into the intracellular compartment. The lipid bilayer will not allow that particular water soluble substance. Okay, so for those substance there are some channels. Okay, there are some channels, like suppose this is a lipid bilayer of cell membrane. So in the cell membrane there are some channels. Okay, these channels are nothing but proteins, so we can say protein channels. Okay, these are protein channel. This is the extracellular compartment, this is intracellular compartment. Okay, now suppose this is a molecule which is water soluble, so it can't pass throughout the lipid bilayer. So this water soluble substance can get transported into the intracellular compartment with the help of this particular protein channel. This particular protein channel will allow this water soluble substance from the extracellular compartment into the intracellular compartment. So by this way the water soluble substance can get transported into the cell, okay, via this protein channel. Okay, fine. So now we got to know how lipid soluble substance and water soluble substance gets transported into the cell. Now this transportation of substances into the cell takes place by the process known as diffusion. And the other one is the active transport. Okay, so diffusion is a passive transport. Okay? So what's the difference between active transport and passive transport? When the transfer takes place from the extracellular fluid to the intracellular fluid, no expenditure of energy is required. Okay, but in active transport, in transportation, energy is required. Okay, and that energy we get it from ATP. Okay, so active transport we will discuss in the separate part. So starting with the diffusion first. Diffusion. Okay. Now diffusion means movement of particles or molecules from the higher concentration to the lower concentration. Okay, without the expenditure of energy. Like suppose these are some molecules which are highly concentrated here. Okay. Now this molecule will get transferred into the low concentration area like this without the expenditure of energy. Now we all know in our body fluid, in our body, the molecules or the ions, whatever the substance are there, they are always in a continuous movement manner. Okay, so those molecules obviously they have some kinetic energy which is present inside our body. Suppose this is the molecule A, so it is moving towards the other molecule B. Okay, so A is moving towards the other molecule B. Mark my words. Okay, so A have its own kinetic energy. Now when colliding with the another molecule B, this A transfers some of its kinetic energy to B. Now the B molecule is getting some amount of kinetic energy. Now this B molecule will move because now it has its own kinetic energy, will move to other molecule. Suppose C. Now when colliding this B molecule with C, this B molecule will share some amount of kinetic energy to C. Now C will collide with some other molecule and transfer some of the kinetic energy to other molecule, and in like this way the movement of the molecule takes place. So in a single sentence, if I want to say, the movement of molecules among one another is known as the diffusion. Okay, the movement of molecule among one another is diffusion. Fine. So this is the fundamental definition of diffusion, how it takes place. Okay, this is without any expenditure of energy. Now this diffusion generally are of two types. One is simple and the other is facilitated. Okay, now talking of simple diffusion, that means simply this is a plasma membrane, these are some channels. Okay, this is the extracellular compartment, this is intracellular compartment. Now there are some molecules outside the membrane in the extracellular compartment. Okay, so this molecule when move to intracellular compartment either through the channel or direct passing the lipid bilayer is known as simple diffusion. Simple, without involvement of anything. Okay, fine, easy. Now facilitated diffusion is here. Some steps occurs. Okay, so first let's understand the definition. In facilitated diffusion, there are some proteins which help to transfer the outside molecules to inside. Okay, so there is a role of some proteins. And in simple diffusion, this kind of proteins is known as channel proteins. Okay, now in facilitated diffusion, what happens? Suppose this is a cell membrane. Okay, and here is some structural proteins. Okay, okay. Now This protein
This
is
protein
known as
is known as
carrier protein.
carrier protein.
Right?
Right?
Now suppose
Now suppose
there is a molecule
there is a molecule
in the
in the
extracellular compartment.
extracellular compartment.
Okay. Now
Okay.
this molecule
Now this molecule
needed to be transferred into the intracellular compartment. But how?
But how?
In the facilitated
In
diffusion.
the facilitated diffusion.
Okay.
Okay.
Now let's see the step one.
Let's see the step one. One.
This molecule
This molecule
will attach
will attach
to this particular
to this
place
particular place
of the
of the
carrier protein.
carrier protein.
Okay.
Okay.
So the
So
attachment
the
will take place.
attachment will take place.
So
So
this
this
particular molecule
particular molecule
will attach in this
will
particular
attach in this
place
particular place
of the
of
carrier
the
protein.
carrier protein.
This is the
This is the
lipid bilayer.
lipid bilayer.
Fine.
Fine.
When this particular molecule gets attached with this carrier
protein,
now what will happen?
now what will happen?
Conformational changes will take place.
changes will take place.
Conformational changes will take place. Okay.
Okay.
That means this carrier protein structure will get changed to transport that particular molecule to inside.
to inside.
Okay.
Okay.
Suppose before it was like this. Carrier protein. After the conformational change, the structure get changed, and this particular molecule which was attached now gets transported into the intracellular compartment. Okay. This is intracellular compartment.
This is extracellular
compartment. Fine. What happens in the facilitated diffusion? There is a role of carrier protein. The particular molecule which is outside gets attached with the carrier protein. After getting attached with the carrier protein, conformation changes takes place. And that conformational changes leads to transportation of the particular molecule into the intracellular compartment. By this way, the outside molecule gets transported to inside via carrier protein. And this overall process is known as
facilitated diffusion.
Fine. Now, in the first part, we already discussed
that
water soluble substance and lipid soluble substance, how it gets transported. Fine. Like the water soluble substance gets transported with some specialized protein channel, and the lipid soluble substance gets transported directly simple diffusion across the lipid bilayer. Okay. So this water soluble substance
like water
gets transported from outside to inside through a protein channel
known as
aqua orins. Okay. So this aquaporins
helps
to transport the water from outside to inside. Okay. Fine. Now there are selectively permeability of protein channels. Selective permeable.
Selective permeable
of protein channels. Okay.
Okay.
Like
Like
sodium channel,
sodium channel,
potassium channel,
potassium channel,
calcium channel.
calcium channel.
Okay.
Okay.
So
So
these are some channels
these are some
which
channels
selectively
which
permeate
selectively permeate
particular type of
particular
ion
type of
from
ion
outside to
from
inside.
outside to inside.
Okay.
Okay.
Like sodium channel.
Like sodium channel.
The name itself says
The name
sodium
itself
channel.
says sodium
That
channel.
means
That
this
means
channel only
this
allows
channel only allows
sodium to pass.
sodium to pass.
Potassium channel.
Potassium
It
channel.
will only allow
It will
potassium
only
to
allow
pass.
potassium to
Similarly to
pass.
the calcium
Similarly to
channel
the
also.
calcium channel also.
Okay. So
Okay.
these are some
So these are some
examples of
examples of
selectively
selectively
permeable channels.
permeable channels.
Okay.
Okay.
Fine.
Fine.
One important
One
thing I
important
want to
thing
say to
I
you
want to
guys
say to you
is
guys
that
is
the
that the
transportation of
transportation
substances
of
across the
substances
membrane
across the
is
membrane
not only
is
from
not only from
extracellular to intracellular.
extracellular to
Okay.
intracellular. Okay.
Just to make you
Just to
understand in
make
a
you
simple
understand
manner,
in a simple
I
manner,
just
I
explain
just
from the
explain from
extracellular
the extracellular
transport to the
transport to the
intracellular.
intracellular.
Okay.
Okay.
So the
So
transportation
the
can take
transportation can
from
take
both the sides,
from both the
from
sides,
extracellular to
from extracellular
intracellular
to
as well
intracellular
as from
as well as
intracellular
from
to
intracellular to
extracellular. Just
extracellular.
like
Just like
potassium ion.
potassium ion.
Okay.
Okay.
So we all know
So we
the
all know
potassium
the
ion is the
potassium ion is the
intracellular ion,
intracellular
not
ion,
extracellular.
not extracellular.
The
The
concentration of
concentration
potassium
of
ion is
potassium
more in
ion
the
is more in the
intracellular.
intracellular.
Okay.
Okay.
So if you
So
see,
if you see,
this is a
this is a
plasma membrane.
plasma membrane.
Okay.
Okay.
The potassium
The
ions
potassium ions
are more
are
in the
more
intracellular.
in the intracellular.
Okay. Fine.
Okay. Fine.
And less in the
And less in
extracellular.
the extracellular.
So
So
the diffusion
the
will
diffusion
take place
will takes place
from
from
intracellular to
intracellular
extracellular.
to extracellular.
But there are some
But
channels
there are some
like
channels
potassium
like
channels,
potassium channels,
specific particular
specific
channels.
particular
Okay.
channels. Okay.
Like
Like
these are
these are
potassium channel.
potassium channel.
Okay.
Okay.
So the potassium
So the
which is
potassium
present
which is present
intracellularly
intracellularly
will go
will go
extracellularly
extracellularly
via
via
potassium
potassium
channel.
channel.
Okay.
Okay.
So
So
this was the confusion
this was the
actually,
confusion actually,
whether the transport
whether
takes
the
only
transport
from the
takes only
extracellular
from
to
the
intracellular
extracellular to intracellular
or from
or
both the
from
directions.
both the directions.
So the thing is,
So the
the
thing is
transportation
the
of
transportation
substances
of
across cell
substances
membrane
across cell
takes
membrane
place from
takes place
both the
from
directions.
both the
Okay.
directions.
Fine.
Okay. Fine.
Okay.
Okay.
Moving on to the next
Moving
part,
on to the next part,
that is
that is
gating
gating
of channels.
of channels.
So what do we mean by
So what
gating
do we
of
mean by
channels?
gating of channels?
Like the
Like
channels
the
have the
channels
gate.
have the
Okay,
gate.
in simple
Okay,
words.
in simple words.
Like
Like
this is a
this is a this is a
sodium channel.
sodium channel.
Okay.
Okay.
So this
So
portion
this
is the
portion
gate.
is the gate.
Okay.
Okay.
So now
So now
the diagram that
the
I have drawn
diagram that I have drawn
is the
is the
closed gate.
closed gate.
Closed gate.
Closed gate.
Okay.
Okay.
So
So
in different
in different
circumstances,
circumstances,
the gate of
the
the particular
gate of
channel
the particular
opens
channel
and closes.
opens and
Okay.
closes.
In which
Okay.
way
In which
circumstances
way
we will see later
circumstances
on.
we will see later on.
But for now,
But for
just
now,
understand
just
that
understand that
in channels there are
in
some
channels
gates
there are some
which
gates
opens
which
in
opens
different
in
situations.
different situations.
Okay.
Okay.
Now, what's the
Now,
purpose of
what's the
gating of
purpose
channel?
of gating of channel?
The purpose
The
is
purpose is
to
to
regulate
regulate
the
the
ion
ion
permeability
permeability
across
across
the
the
channel.
channel.
Okay.
Okay.
So this was the
So this was the
purpose.
purpose.
of getting up
of
channel
getting up
to
channel
regulate the
to regulate the ion
permeability
permeability
across
across
the
the
channel.
channel.
Okay, fine.
Okay, fine.
Now
Now
there are two types
there are
of gating.
two types of gating.
Two types of gating.
Gating.
One is
One is
voltage
voltage
gating,
gating,
and the other one
and
is
the other one is
chemical
chemical
or
or
ligand
ligand
gating.
gating.
So one is
So
voltage
one
gating,
is voltage gating,
and the other one is
and
the
the other one is the
chemical or
chemical or
ligand gating.
ligand gating.
Okay,
Okay,
fine.
fine.
So what do we mean by
So what do
voltage
we mean by
gating?
voltage gating?
So the
So
gate
the
opens
gate
or
opens
closes
or
of a
closes
particular
of a
channel
particular channel
on
on
different voltage.
different voltage.
Let's understand.
Let's understand.
Suppose
Suppose
at
at
minus
minus
90 millivolt.
90 millivolt.
Okay,
Okay,
at minus 90
at minus
millivolt,
90
which
millivolt,
is also known
which is
as
also known as
resting membrane
resting membrane
potential.
potential.
Okay,
Okay,
at this point,
at this point,
the gate of
the
the
gate
sodium
of the
channel
sodium channel
closes.
closes.
Okay,
Okay,
gate
gate
of
of
sodium
sodium
channels
channels
close.
close.
Okay,
Okay,
but when
but when
this 90
this
millivolt
90 millivolt
gets shifted
gets shifted
to the positive
to the
millivolt,
positive millivolt,
that means
that means
from 90
from 19
to
to
plus
plus
35
35
millivolt,
millivolt,
gate
gate
of
of
sodium
sodium
channels
channels
open.
open.
Okay,
Okay,
so mark the
so mark the
circumstances.
circumstances.
At minus
At
90
minus
millivolt,
90 millivolt,
gate of sodium
gate of
channel
sodium channel
closed.
close.
But when
But
this 90
when this
millivolt
90
gets
millivolt
shifted to the
gets
positive
shifted to the
millivolt,
positive
that is
millivolt,
towards the
that is
plus
towards the
35
plus
millivolt,
35 millivolt,
okay,
okay,
the gate of the
the
sodium
gate of
channel
the sodium channels
open.
open.
So depending
So
on
depending
different
on
voltages,
different voltages,
the
the
ion channel
ion
opens.
channel opens.
Okay,
Okay,
these are some
these are
different
some
voltage
different
where the
voltage where the
gates of the ion
gates of
channel
the ion channel
opens or close.
opens or close.
So this one
So
we will
this one we will
see in details
see in
in
details
different chapters.
in
That is
different
the
chapter. That
generation
is
of
the
action
generation of
potential
action
of
potential
the nerve
of
impulses
the
and
nerve
all.
impulses and all.
So in there we will
So
see in
in there
details,
we will see in
but
details, but
in here
in
just
here
learn
just
little bit.
learn little bit.
Okay.
Okay.
So what we got to
So
learn
what we
at
got to
different
learn at
voltages,
different voltages,
gates of different
gates
ion
of
channel
different ion
opens
channel
or close.
opens or
Either.
close.
Okay.
Either. Okay.
Fine.
Fine.
Now coming to
Now
the
coming to the
chemical gating or
chemical
ligand
gating
gating.
or ligand gating.
That means
That means
in a particular
in a
channel,
particular channel,
when some
when
ligand
some
gets
ligand
attached
gets
to that
attached
particular
to that
channel,
particular channel,
and after that
and after
that
that
channel gets
that channel
activated,
gets activated,
leading to
leading to
entry of
entry
ion
of
either
ion
from
either
inside to
from
outside
inside
or
to
from
outside
outside
or
to
from
inside.
outside to inside.
Okay,
Okay,
that means
that means
let's draw a
let's
diagram, then you
draw
will
a diagram,
understand
then you
better.
will understand better.
Suppose
Suppose
this is the membrane
this is the membrane
and this is the
and this is the
channel.
channel.
Okay,
Okay,
this is
this is
channel,
channel,
and this
and
part
this
is
part
the
is the
ligand
ligand
acceptor
acceptor
site.
site.
Okay,
Okay,
now
now
when
when
a ligand
a ligand
comes and joins
comes
in this
and joins
particular
in this
place,
particular place,
which activates
which
the channel,
activates the channel,
activates
activates
the
the
channel,
channel,
leading
leading
to
to
entry of
entry of
ions.
ions.
Okay, fine.
Okay, fine.
The best
The best
example is
example
the
is the
acetylcholine
acetylcholine
receptor.
receptor.
Okay,
Okay,
so
so
this is the
this
receptor.
is the receptor.
Fine.
Fine.
In this particular
In this
place,
particular place,
this
this
acetylcholine
acetylcholine
will bind.
will bind.
This channel
This channel
gets opened.
gets opened.
Okay.
Okay.
So before the
So
channel was
before the
closed,
channel was
when
closed,
the
when the
acetylcholine gets
acetylcholine
bind to
gets
its
bind to
target
its
place,
target place,
after binding,
after binding,
the channel gets
the channel
activated
gets activated
and opening of the
and
channel takes
opening of the
place.
channel takes place.
Fine.
Fine.
And after that,
And
what
after that,
happens?
what
In
happens?
the
In
extracellular
the
part,
extracellular part,
there are sodium
there are
ions
sodium ions
which move
which moves
inside.
inside.
Okay.
Okay.
So this
So
is also a
this is also a
example of
example of
chemical gating.
chemical gating.
Okay, fine.
Okay, fine.
Like the
Like
acetylcholine
the
gets attached
acetylcholine
with a
gets
particular
attached with
site,
a particular site,
then
then
activation of the channel
activation
takes
of the
place,
channel takes
and
place,
finally the
and
sodium
finally
ion
the
gets
sodium ion gets
transported in.
transported in.
Fine.
Fine.
So we
So
have completed
we
the
have completed the
gating of the channels.
gating of the channels.
And the last part,
And the
that
last
is
part, that is
factors
factors
affecting
affect
diffusion.
diffusion.
Okay.
Okay.
Number one,
Number one,
rate of
rate of
net diffusion
net diffusion
is directly
is
proportional
directly proportional
to the
to the
concentration
concentration
difference across
difference
membrane.
across membrane.
Now,
Now,
this is a
this
membrane.
is the membrane.
Okay.
Okay.
Diffusion.
Diffusion.
Now,
Now,
if there is
if there
difference
is
of
difference
concentration,
of concentration,
suppose in
suppose
this set there
in
is
this set there is
high
high
concentration,
concentration,
and on the other
and
side
on the
there is
other side there is
low concentration.
low concentration.
Fine.
Fine.
So,
So
if the
if
concentration
the
difference is
concentration difference
high,
is
then
high,
obviously
then
the
obviously
net
the net
rate of net
rate of
diffusion is
net
also high,
diffusion is also high,
and vice versa too.
and vice versa
If
too.
the concentration
If the
difference is low,
concentration difference is low,
then the rate of net
then the
diffusion
rate
is
of
also
net
low.
diffusion is also low.
As simple as that.
As simple as that.
So,
So
what's the
what's
fundamental
the
concept of
fundamental
diffusion?
concept of diffusion?
It will move from
It
the
will
high
move from the
concentration
high
to the
concentration to the
lower concentration.
lower concentration.
Okay,
Okay,
fine,
fine,
easy.
easy.
Repeating again,
Repeating again,
the more is the
the more is the
concentration difference,
concentration
the
difference,
more is the
the
diffusion.
more is the
The
diffusion.
less is the
The less
concentration
is the
difference,
concentration
the less
difference,
is the
the
diffusion.
less is the diffusion.
Okay,
Okay.
now
Now,
effect
effect
on
on
membrane potential
membrane
difference
potential difference
on
on
diffusion of ions.
diffusion of ions.
Ions.
Right.
Let's understand this
Let's understand
statement.
this statement.
Okay,
Okay.
suppose
Suppose
this is a membrane.
this is a membrane.
Okay,
Okay.
now
Now,
in one side
in one side
there is
there is
negatively charged,
negatively charged,
and the other side
and the other side
there is
there is
positively charged.
positively charged.
And
and
on the side of the
on the
negatively
side of the
charged part,
negatively charged part,
there are
there are
negative ions.
negative ions.
Okay, these
Okay,
are
these are
negatively charged.
negatively charged.
Now,
Now,
apply the common sense.
apply the common sense.
Now,
Now,
negative,
negative,
what will
negative,
happen?
what
Repel.
will happen? Repel.
Okay,
Okay,
and this
and this
negative to positive,
negative to
what will
positive,
happen?
what
Attract.
will happen? Attract.
So,
So,
what will happen?
what
On
will
this
happen?
side,
On this side,
the
the
concentration will become
concentration
low
will
as
become low
compared to
as compared
other
to
side.
other
Because
side.
positive
Because
will attract the
positive will
negative part,
attract the
and
negative
the
part,
negative part
and the
will
negative part
repel the
will
negative
repel
part.
the negative
Got
part.
it?
Got it?
So,
So,
if this is the membrane,
this is the membrane.
these are negative and
These are
this side is the
negative and this
positive.
side is the positive.
So next what will
So
happen?
next, what will happen?
Those negatively
Those
charged
negatively
ions
charged ion
will be coming
will be
to the
coming to the
other side
other side
as compared to the
as compared to the
negative side.
negative side.
Okay,
Okay,
got the concept?
got the
Now the
concept?
last
Now
point
the last
is
point
the
is the
effect
effect
of
of
pressure difference
pressure difference
of the
of the
membrane.
membrane.
Okay,
Okay,
now this is the
now
membrane.
this is the membrane.
Okay,
Okay,
now here are some
now here
molecules,
are some molecules,
ions.
ions.
Okay,
Okay,
but
but
in this side,
in this side,
the pressure
the pressure
is
is
comparatively
comparatively
higher
higher
as compared to
as compared to
this side.
this side.
Okay, so
Okay,
what will happen
so what will happen
if the pressure
if the
is
pressure
forcing
is forcing
those particular
those
molecules?
particular molecule?
Then obviously
Then obviously
this molecule
this molecule
will be moving
will be moving
to the other side
to
of
the
the
other
membrane.
side of the membrane.
Yes or no?
Yes or no?
Due to the pressure
Due to
difference,
the pressure difference,
on this side the pressure
on this
is
side
much
the
more.
pressure is much more.
So that's why
So that's why
the molecules
the molecules
will get
will
transported
get
to the
transported
other side
to the other side
in the low pressure
in
side.
the low pressure side.
Okay, fine.
Okay, fine.
So if we give an
So if we
example,
give an example,
pressure
pressure
in the
in the
blood capillary
blood capillary
is higher
is higher
in
in
inside
inside
as
as
compared
compared
to outside.
to outside.
Okay,
Okay,
fine.
fine.
So
So
this was the
this was the
concept of
concept of
diffusion.
diffusion.
Okay,
Okay,
so in the next part
so
we'll
in
be
the next part we
discussing
will be
the
discussing
other topic, that is
the other
osmosis
topic,
and
that
the
is
active
osmosis and
diffusion.
the active
Till
diffusion.
now, if you have
Till
any
now, if
doubt
you have
or
any
anything
doubt
to ask,
or
you can
anything
drop
to
in the
ask, you
comment
can
box.
drop in the comment box.
Okay, I will
Okay,
definitely
I will
try
definitely
to make you
try
understand.
to make you understand.
Okay, thank you.